Back to the ball game. Ayan o. Shoutout Kika Uran. Makashoot, shoutout. Makashoot. Pinapasahan ko nga shoot.
Pineda, people shot, elbow, rebound to Sena. To number 1, Jaime. Got a crossover by Mr. Jaime for 3. Shot is fine, rebound by Mr. Bautista. Pitch ball pass to number 5, Bautista. Tarupo, to the number 5, to the back. Hey, Barona. Pistol. Sena, nagmamadali, running up. It's a symbol. Send the referee, Mr. Jeffrey. Inbound to Sena. This name moves to Piray. Piray fires, elbow. Rebound by Bibo. Bibo to Sena. Baseline move.
Traveling.
Traveling. It's a traveling. Send the referee. Under 8 minutes and 55 seconds. 8 minutes and 55. Our score is 39-30. 9-point lead by the Raptors. Pineda, setting the play. To Clemente.
Galing naman.
11-point lead by the Raptors. Jaime. To Bibo. Bibo for 3. Bibo. Bibo by Pineda. Pineda setting the play. To Paul at the baseline shot. Yes, that is the Paul. Wow. 13 points lead by the Raptors. Under 8 minutes and 13 seconds. Abana steal. What a play by the Raptors. Raptors want to steal again. Delay. Baseline move. Pass to Sena. Sena pass. Yes. 32-43. Back to 11 points. Under 7 minutes and 40 seconds. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Pineda.
Moy.
To Paul for 3. Shot. Rebound by Bibo. What a play by the Raptors. Oh, Bibo. To Piray. Piray drive. Back to last touch by the Raptors. It's a
Kayo po
symbol.
si Kuya.
Symbol. Set the referee. Bibo. By teammate 4. Jaime. Number 1. Crossover. Drive pass. Yes. What a play by Mr. Jaime. Back to 9-point lead by the Raptors. Under 6 minutes and 45. Pineda. To Porto. Jumper. Baseline shot. Two strong. Roman Bibo. Bibo. Dribble on the ball. Pass. Basket. Yan ang laro ng aking idol. Simple lang. 36-43. Yan na.
Mahabol sa barangay.
Going up. Pineda. Fake. To Porto. To Clemente. Pass.
Naman.
Garab play by the Raptors. Under 6 minutes. 36-45. Back to 9-point lead.
Decent laro.
Jaime. Jaime fake. Pass to number 18. Fake again. Harassed by Porto. Then Clemente. Back to Sena. Sena pass. Two stop. Rebound by Bibo. Bibo fake. Fake pass to number 1. Jaime. Two stop. Rebound by number 18. 18 fake pass. Two stop again. Oh, the steal, but it's a Raptors ball.
Sub.
Substitution, 5 minutes and 34 seconds.
Subcontract. Subcontract.
Okay, Raptors ball. It's a Raptors ball. Come on. It's a running game. Come on. It's a running game. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Indra. To FPJ. To Pastor. Back to Indra. To Madrason for 3.
Umira. Wala.
No one will start with the piano. Giving the ball. Setting the play. 4 minutes and 56 seconds. Gonzalez. Back. Gonzalez again. Too strong. Rebound by FPJ. To Indra. Indra. Indra with Toriano. It's a single. Last touch by the PPF. Under 4 minutes and 35 seconds. 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Aryan Ibang. To Palarga. Baseline shot. Pass. Using the clock. Easy pass. For Mr. Palarga. 47-36. Back again for 11 points. Hakoy, PPF. Dati kong team yan. Colete, for 3. No good for this time. Movement by Palarga. Palarga. Indra pala. Sorry, Indra to Madrason. Second play, back to Indra. Almost losing the ball. To Pastor, for 3. Shot this time. Movement by Palarga. Apo ang left. No good. Movement by Palarga. This time pass to Limaran. Almost missed the
Ay,
ball.
Mercedes. Mercedes.
Setting the play, back to Mr. Lade, pass, home. Still by Imra. Under 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Baseline shot, too strong. Takayan po Ibang nakakalabanan. Pitch ball pass to they're closing the ball. Pass, too strong. Follow-up shot, yes, for this time.
Tira.
38-47. 9-point lead by the Raptors. Moderación. To Pastor. Toriano by Teresa.
Ang galing naman nun.
Wow, galing pa naman ito. By Mr. Arelian.
Ito, hindi pa nakaka-shoot to
3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Diba?
3 minutes.
Pasigat na
Kaya mo kay Kaurag. Kaya mo kay Kaurag.
Olarte. Pastor Piana. Left side move. Almost losing the ball. It's the last touch. It's the second. Set the referee, Mr. Jeffrey. Olarte, losing the glass, no good. Rebound by Palarga, under 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Moderación. To FPJ, to Pastor.
Batang
Back
Quiapo.
to Indra. Toriano, defense on back. Back to Sapa. Set the referee. Is Cooper, 2 shots. Foul on number 12. First foul, Peter Gonzalez. First personal foul.
Lakad
First
lang.
foul by Mr. Arellano. Talon niya na. What a play by Mr. Arellano. Number 47. For the second try. No good for this time. Rebound by Piana. 1 minute and 35 seconds. This ball pass to Laura. Cordelia.
Kaya na. Kaya na. Kaya na.
It's a violation by the ball.
Umakit pa dun sa taas.
1 minute and 30 seconds. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Still 12.3 by the Raptors. Indra setting the play. To Pastor. To Pastor. Para Gala reverse play. Gonzalez. Pastor Piano opens the ball. Under 1 minute and 15 seconds. Piano pass. Too strong. Rebound by Indra. Indra pass. No good for this time.
Nakuha ni Clay Thompson. Nakuha ni Clay Thompson. Didiretso na yan. Didiretso na yan.
Number 11, Cordelia
Didiretso
Brody.
na yan.
Yes!
Bom, bom, bom.
Seconds to go.
Biyahe Boracay.
Palarga, pistol move.
Pow.
Foul? Foul number 11 of Tipe. Bonilla.
Puwersa.
Second to go. 44 seconds. To Mr. Pastor. Gonzalez. Gonzalez, small pass. To Bonilla. Bonilla for 3. Shot is time. 30 seconds. For three, double. Rebound by Arellano. Arellano pass. 52-41. 15 seconds. 11 for three. One ball, 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, number 2, 3,
Yan, kontrakto.
1. And at the third quarter, we're going for the fourth quarter. Our score is 52-41. Still lead by the Raptors.
Sino po kasi yung kamay dito ngayong araw?
Kaya,
Kaya dapat yun ang depensa nila yung magdalay nila ng buhay.
Ice, Mrs. Ruby.
Ayun na, sinasabi ko eh.
Back to the ball game. We are entering for the fourth quarter. And still lead by the 11 points for the Raptors. This is the final quarter. PPF, come on. Cover the PPF. It's a Raptor ball. Raptors.
Bro, mula.
Carlo, inbound. To Bibo. To Piray. Piray. To Sena Paes. Yes, by Mr. Sena. What a play for the Star.
Chance
And
na.
the pair. And the pair. PPF. Moderation by three. Tusto. Rebound by Carlo. Carlo. Running. Mesa Paes. Easy basket. Wow. Ganda. Ginagana. Ano po? The PPF is coming now. 35-52. Back to 7-point lead by the Raptors. 4-3. Tuso. Biray to Bibo. Bibo. Back to Biray. Pass. Yes. Woo! 5-point na po. Ang lamang. Under 9 minutes. 9 minutes and 5 seconds. 37-52. Pineda. To Ballford. To Madrasod. Paes. Madrasod. 3 points. 55-47. 8-point lead. Opiana. To Carlo. Carlo crossover. Back to Piray. Piray. Tapos. Good. What a play! What a power play move by Mr. Piray. Back to 6-point lead under 8 minutes. Perfect. Perfect. Federation. Shot over the side. Yun ang isa lang Takalo. Takalo. Mesa pass. Tusto. Given by Mr. Piray. Mr. Piray. Block. What a play! Oh my goodness.
Nabot yun.
What a play for both teams. Bibo for three. Tuso. Bibo na Piray. Piray follow up. Jumper. Yes. What a play by Mr. Piray. 4-point lead na lang po. 4-point lead. 4-point. Almost pushing the ball. 4-point. Tutuloy na yung Paes. Bago. Bibo pa rin sa balik. Bibo na talaga. Tupasok.
Dalawa na lang, dalawa.
Okay na, okay.
Nakapon yung mga kontraktor.
May pag-asa pa tayo.
Mga kontraktor nakapon.
Nakapon lang sa mga kontraktor.
Yan o.
Yan,
Shout out.
Shout out sa Kaliga.
Yan o, malalaki o.
Ay na po. Tingnan po ang ating Raptors. India. Tumatarasun. Toiba, Petri.
Binato.
Under 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Hey, Jaime, Faith, pass, always good to Bibo. Bibo sending the play, harassed by Indra. To Jaime, Faith, pass, yes! Oh, we are playing for 18, so the take check now. All 55.
Nating run.
All 55, get back. Pepe, Barcelona. Without the mistake, under 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Jaime, to Bibo. Bibo, Faith. Pass, Tama, Bibo, Biray. Biray, Matawari. Left-handed shot. Yes. Yes, and it's for Biray. Top end, hit now. And the PPS. That's the shot. Tama, Patri. Shot. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. 2.3 to the PPS now. Ciao, Bibo, Patri. Top end, top end shot. Yes. With the power play for the Filipina, under 5 minutes and 25 seconds.
Hindi na naka-score.
5 minutes and 25 seconds. Pineda, Patri, shot is down. Ibang Filipina. Best record. Pass. Time out. Yes.
Napa ako.
What a play!
Napako.
Lead by 6 points. Under 5 minutes and 7 seconds. 5 minutes and 7 seconds. We are in the fourth quarter now.
Ang problema ang Raptors.
Alam mo, 3 points lang yan.
Back to the ball game. Again, our score is 61-55. Lead by the 6 points by the PPM. Indra. To Palaya. Palaya. Torregano, pass, long distance. Jaime. Back to Caleb. Caleb, pass. No good this time. Rebound Arellano. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Moderation, foul. Foul number 29. Bibo, substitution. Red substitution. Out with the substitute Riaz. Ugarte, in. Arellano, the people area. Moderation, 4-3. 2 star. Torellano, Arellano, best shot. Back. There's a foul. But there's a foul. Say the referee, Mr. Jeffrey. Foul number again, number 29. Bibo Orteo. Second personal foul by Mr. Bibo Orteo. For the first second,
Orak, balik ako, Orak.
yes. 61-56. 5 points point lead by the PPF for the second try. Second try, no, it is down. Oh, there is a foul. Nagtaon po ba yung dalawa? After 3 minutes and 25 seconds. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Still lead by the 5 points. By 5 points, ang PPF. Two people. Back to number 1, Jaime. Jaime is in his place. To the line in the 3-point area. It's a line ball. It's a bad error for the PPF. Under 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 points pass on another. Opiana, to number 1. Back to number 6. To people 14. Fake. To Opiana. Still number 10. 16:59. Regulation. Ibang bayar na Opiana. No, pati sa foul. Substitution. Timeout. PPF. What a play for both teams. Ang ganda ng laman.
Meron. Ito City. Ito City. Galit yung coach, galit.
Nagagalit ako eh.
Galit yung coach.
Our score is 60-50 now.
May pag-asa.
Two shots for Mr. Aureliano.
Barakay.
Pwede pa yan. Pwede pa yan sa Mr. Aureliano for the first round. Yes. For the second round.
Hindi pa yan. Yung 3-point lang yan.
To the game.
Abal, abal, abal.
1 minute and 13 seconds. Dito.
Oras, oras,
Dito.
oras.
Oras, hindi naman ako. Tito, Opiana. Opiana, almost close. To Caleb. Caleb. Haras ba ito
5 seconds.
there's a foul. Foul number 6.
Shot clock.
Inbound. Caleb inbound. To Opiana. Fake. To Bibo. Fake again. 54 seconds. It's a double dribble.
Time out.
Time out. Raptors. Seconds to go. 52 seconds. 7-point lead by the PPF. 7-point lead. No more timeout for the Raptors. Dito.
Dito, sana lang, dito wala na.
PPF. No, one more timeout for the PPF. PPF, one more timeout, ha? One more timeout. 7
Back to the ball game. Tapusin nyo na yan.
India. Send the play to the pressure. Kobe.
Walay, walay, walay.
Rebound Ghana. 32 seconds. 30 seconds. Almost to the end.
Ako pa, ako pa. Tira mo na. Tira mo na. Uy, wala. Malas talaga, malas.
35 seconds.
Yan, laro, laro.
Toledo. Tupiray. Yes. 17 seconds. 17-61. Torellano. For 3. Shot is now. Rebound. Break for 1.
10 seconds.
8 seconds. Kala for 3. Shot. 2. 1.
Yan, nanalo sa mga.
Congratulations to Mr. Tibier. Congratulations, Mr. Tibier.
Nanalo ang tractor.
Our score is 70-61. What a play by the Team Tibier.
Yan, panalo na.
Ayun na po, nag-tease na si Mr. Olan Reyes.
Pati na sila. Oh.
The yellow team. Again, congratulations for the PPF for the winning by 9 points.
Yan, nakadalawa sila. Halo. One, two, three, go!